So welcome students. So in this question you're given that small f of y is e power y, small g of y is equal to y, and capital F of t is 0 to t, f of t minus y g of y dy. In that case, what is the value of f of t? That means you're asked to find what the integral of this is. So let us try to find the integral 0 to t, f of t minus y, f of y is e power y. F of t minus y will be e power t minus y, times g of y is nothing but y dy. So as you can see, the integration variable is y. So t can be considered as constant. So e power t comes outside. So e power t times 0 to t e power minus y into y dy. So now this is a basic by parts question. This is a basic by parts question. So I'll take this as u and this as v. So you know the formula for by parts. So let us find this. So u integral v y times minus e power minus y, u integral v minus integral of du by dy, which is 1, into integration of this is plus e power minus y dy. So you have a minus e power y, so minus becomes plus. That is equal to e power t times minus y e power minus y minus e power minus y. So this is the integration going from 0 to t. Integration has to go from 0 to t, that is y is going from 0 to t. So that is equal to, if you substitute the limits, you get e power t times, so if you put t in the place of y, you get minus t e power minus t minus of e power minus t minus of, if you put t is y is equal to 0, you get 0 minus 1. So minus of minus 1. So that is equal to e power t times minus e power minus t times 1 plus t plus 1. That is equal to e power t, 1 into e power t is e power t, and in the second term this 2 gets cancelled, this multiplication becomes 1. So minus of 1 plus t. So e power t minus of 1 plus t, option B is the right answer. Thank you.